Hi, this video explains to you how to download your purchase app, that's your purchase plugin, after you've purchased it on the KS Digital Studio platform. So once your order is complete, we expect you to click on the download installer button. This button helps you to download the installer. Click on it, see it here downloading. And then once you've done that, um, you can either use this method or use the other method on our home page. You can go to our home page here and then scroll down to where you have KS Studio installer. There's a video, short tutorial video here that shows you how to install the KS Studio installer desktop application. It looks exactly like this. So when you click on this video, this button, click here, a YouTube video pops up that shows you a step-by-step tutorial on how to install it. So I'm going to dive right in because I've installed it on my computer. I've been using it for a while now. I'm going to search for the KS Studio installer app on my PC. Open it up here. I'm going to minimize. So it loads for a few seconds and then you're expected to put in your sign-in information. So type in your email and your password. So as I click on the sign in button and signs me successfully in, I would see all the apps I recently purchased and the ones that I've purchased and have expired. So I have a section here that shows me purchased apps, installed apps, and likes. So I'm going to go to manage your apps. You'll see this is a section where I can install the application, the plugin that I have purchased. I come here to the manage app button. A sidebar shows up, and then you can see here an install button. Click on the install button and click yes. So it takes a few seconds to download the app installation file, and this is based off your network, how strong your network is. So we allow it to run through the process. Okay, I think my network is a bit slow tonight. Usually this takes not up to 10 seconds. Well, let's see. All right, it's 100% now. So the download is complete. So it has finished installing. I click on refresh here. You can see that Automate has been installed. And when I open up the sidebar again, it changes to an uninstall button as if you want to install it. So now the next thing for me to do is to just go to my Revit, because this will automatically appear my Revit toolbar. Revit is opening on my other screen. Okay. All right, I'm going to bring my Revit to this new screen, and I can open up any new projects or an existing project, anything at all. And now you can see that KS Digital Studio tab is on your Revit ribbon. So once I do that, you can see now that you have the Revit Automate plugin here. Once I click on it, it opens up and I can start using it. So this is a simple video on how to install a KS Digital Studio, a KS Digital Studio plugin on your Revit ribbon and tab.